Today we got a new fridge. Right now we are going to open it. And here we got the scissors. Now we are going to open the refrigerator. Is going to open it. Wow, and it's here showing that we can put ice creams too, and even spoons with a tardelka. With a plate. And we can put meat. Here's written big freezing zone. Fish and meat. This part's called fish and meat. Here is ice. I think not ice. Oh, but we can make ice. Oh, remember this ice? Now we can make ice of this. With this we can make ice, but this I'm not sure. No, we can put this to here. Ah, yes, we put this to here. Good. This is the rules that we need to do. We should not make poisons. We should take care of this refrigerator and clean. And we should put it like this instead of this. And here it is. And it isn't allowed if we have another thing near, we should not put near it, but little bit further. And we should not put the bottle like that, or I know what will happen. They all three can get ice, and at our old refrigerator, those bottles got iced when we put them like this. But the right way is like this. And should not put everything at corners, but at here. And it's here showing what is under. First refrigerators were invented in 1913. We love our refrigerator.
2, 3.
First refrigerators at home was invented in 1913. Daddy got karag
Yana bermatta.
First refrigerators for home. And then the thing that I'm reading. No.
Okay.
First refrigerators for home were invented in 1913. First refrigerators at home were invented in 1914. Can I eat some ice cream? First refrigerators for home.
Yana bermatta. First
For
refrigerator.
home, not at home. For home.
This is not me.
Abi bir saniye.
Hangisi? First refrigerators for home. First refrigerators at home were invented in 1913. Okay, now baby try. First refrigerators for home. First refrigerators at home invented for home. Wait. First for home to be used at home. For home. Say for home. Okay, here. First refrigerators for home were invented in 1913. Say it. First refrigerators at home invented in 1319.
İki sözden kaytasın gibi.
We love our refrigerator, or I love our new refrigerator, and give a hug. I love my refrigerator. Okay, say it together. We love our new refrigerator. Say that. No, I don't say when it was invented. Okay, say it. First refrigerators for home were invented. First refrigerators at home. No, first refrigerators for home.
For home для дома. Холодильник для дома değil.
First refrigerators for home